So in such case, we write our numerator, which is x plus 2, is equal to a times derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator means this quadratic inside 4x minus x squared. And we know the derivative of 4x minus x squared is 4 minus 2x, isn't it? Plus b. That's how we change our numerator. Now, equating both sides of this equation, we find the coefficient of x and constant term. We will get next x plus 2 is equal to, open the bracket, it is 4a minus 2ax plus b. And this is same as negative 2 of ax plus 4a plus b. Since a and b are real numbers, so this is a constant. And our constant should be equal to constant on the left also. We can say x, the coefficient of x, which is 1, is equal to negative 2a. If 1 is negative 2a, you can say minus 1 over 2 is equal to a. And similarly, you can say 4a plus b is equal to 2. Substitute value of a. So you get 4 times negative half plus b is equal to 2. And we get b, this is 2 plus negative 2, right? Negative 2 plus b is 2, or we get the value of b as 4. Okay, so b is equal to 4 and a is equal to negative half. So we are going to put that value here. Our question, if we say this is equal to I, so our question, the integral I is going to look like integration of a times 4 minus 2x. So we can write a being constant, we can write outside. So minus 1 by 2 is written outside. And x plus, okay, it is 4 minus 2x. X plus 2 was written 4 minus 2x. So it is 4 minus 2x and dx divided by denominator as it is 4x minus x squared and plus b. So b by denominator, b is 4. So I will write this also in the integration 4 divided by integration of 4x minus x squared. Of course, this 4 can be written outside this integral sign. So, well, we are writing that outside here. Okay. So 4 times, then integration sign, under root 4x minus this. Now we have this I, which is equal to negative half of I1 plus 4I2. Can we find I1 and I2 separately and then substitute value of I1, I2 here? We get our answer. Let's first solve I1. I1 is integration of 4 minus 2x divided by. And if we put this denominator as t, means if we put 4x minus x squared is equal to t, this will give 4 minus 2x times dx is equal to dt. So the numerator of the I1, here it is dt, and the denominator is square root t. Well, I will make some space here. So my I1 is going to look like, okay, so I1 is going to look like integration of dt over square root of t. And square root of t is same as t to power half. From the denominator you take into numerator, it becomes t to power minus half dt. And the integration of t to power minus half dt is 2t And we should use a constant. Let's use the constant C1, retaining the value of this t there. So we get our I1 is equal to 2 times square root of 4x minus x squared plus C1. Okay, that is your I1. Now we'll find I2 also, and finally put the value of I1, I2 in this equation. Okay, so to find I2, let's write I2 is equal to integration of dx over inside square root. We have this quadratic and the coefficient of x squared is negative. You see that? So we want to take that negative sign common, then it becomes x squared minus 4x. Now we can change this into perfect square to change this into some of those particular integral forms. So dx divided by square root of minus sign outside. This is x minus 2. We take half the coefficient of x, yes? X minus 2 whole square, and then we subtract the square of this constant, which is 2 square. Okay, we would like to change, open this bracket. So this I2 is now integration of dx divided by under root of 2 square minus x minus 2 whole square. So this can be now simplified because this is in the form of a square minus x squared formula, 1 by under root a square minus x squared, which is equal to sine inverse x over a. So if you wish, you can put x minus 2 is equal to t, show a couple of more steps, or you can directly write also. You can directly write this is sine inverse of, in place of this t, we are saying x minus 2 divided by 2 and plus the constant we are using is C2. Now we got the value of I1 and I2 to write our final answer. We need some space there. Okay, so we want to write our final answer here. Okay. Here we go. Our answer should look like I is equal to, there we go. I is equal to, it was half, negative half of I1. And I1 is, where is I1? Here it is. Okay. So we can say negative half of 2 times square root 4x minus x squared. Can we cancel this negative half and positive half? Yes. And we can write just minus there. Okay. We can write just minus sign. Minus of this. And plus, since we multiplied our I1 by negative half, so it should also be negative half C1. Negative half C1. And plus 4 times, we are multiplying this number by 4. So 4 times sine inverse of x minus 2 by 2 plus c plus 4c2, 4c2. But since this is constant, we want to write them together, and we will use just one letter c for that. So we our answer would look like, okay, let's write it down there. This is equal to minus of square root 4x minus x squared and plus 4 sine inverse x minus 2 divided by 2 plus c. And you are done.